Okay, beautiful blue sky, right? Wrong. Look at that dark clouds. I just asked Alexa, my little smart speaker, if it's supposed to rain today because it was looking a little less sunny today. And she goes, it's raining right now. And I walked outside. I'm like, it sure is raining right now. Look at that. Just all of a sudden, just black clouds came through and just did some serious thunder. And not lightning though, just thunder. So, I'll pan over. The only reason why I have this weird bird feeder is to cover this pipe right here. It used to be like a basketball hoop thing. Oh! It's raining really hard now. This is cool. Let's go check out my garden center. Gonna get some natural rainwater going on here. Guess I should get one of those rain barrels. Have a compost bin here. Yes, I made it. Trying to grow some tomatoes and peppers. Ooh! Wow. Nice. Love it. Yeah, that just came out of the blue. But it's warm out. It's not like hot out, but it's like nice and almost humid. Not really bad, but just like you could feel that little bit of humidity. That's why I was like, what's going on with the weather? And all of a sudden this happens. But look at that. Blue skies right here. Maybe my river will have a river. Speaking of that, I added a little dude in the pot, a little frog. Forgot I had him. So I guess this will pass because I don't know how much darkness we have. Let's see. Ah, looks like blue sky coming up ahead, so it's only going to rain for a little bit. Yes, sky, I hear you. Even the wind picked up a bit too. Definitely not used to this. Sometimes California would have like a summer rain, which I loved, but it didn't happen very often. So far this has been happening more than I thought it would, and I love it. Just out of the blue. So I'm wondering if it's just going to be, it's going to come and go and it's going to be all sunny again. Alright, still raining pretty hard. It's actually getting more rain here. Sarah's getting her shower on.
Wait, I'm going to try to do a cartwheel. It's not going to go well.
Be careful.
Please be careful.
God,
Yeah.
scary.
Yeah, let's not do that. It's still weird to see like bright sunny skies and then dark clouds. Look at that. Holy molito. Winds are picking up too. Yikes.
While I was out here, I heard the thunder, but I was like, what's thunder? But then,
I know, because it
like,
was
5
weird how it was
seconds
just
later, this
fine.
happens.
It was nice and sunny, and then all of a sudden it's this, so I didn't even
I
see
think the
those
grass
clouds
is
coming
getting
in.
wet.
That's why it surprised me when Alexa said, it's raining right now. I'm like, huh? It is? I'm like, sure is. Oh, it's getting even worse. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go out. Oh, it's cold. Oh my.
Your compost bin uncovered on.
I did that on purpose so I could put water, yeah.
I'm gonna put you in
Wow.
there. I'm gonna put salad
Yeah, it is getting a little chilly now.
here.
I thought it was supposed to be like 88 degrees today, but not right now. All right. It's still raining. I guess it's going to last a while. Yeah, and Sarah is drenched. And I'm glad, though, look at our grass. We need, like, some... Every time I try to put seed down, the birds eat it.
Oh,
so, hopefully, we'll get some... Oh, God, don't hug me. That was gross. All right.
A few moments later.
Now the rain and wind is gone. Back to sunny blue skies and warm weather. Looks like the dark clouds are moving that way.